Level 1 Beginner. Lesson 2 Greetings and saying hello. Hi there and welcome back to your English learning journey. In this lesson, you will learn how to say hello and greet people in different situations. Let's learn together. Ready? Let's go. Morning greetings. It's morning in Vikram's house. The family is starting their day and practicing English greetings. Vikram. Good morning, Alka. Alka. Good morning. How are you today? Vikram. I am good, thank you. And you? Alka. I am fine, thanks. Arav. Good morning, Dad. Vikram. Good morning, Arav. Sachi. Hi, Mom. Alka. Hello, Sachi. Common greetings in English. Let's learn some common greetings in English. Listen and repeat after me. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, only before sleeping. Hi, how are you? I am fine, thank you. I am good. And you? Now repeat each one after me. Speak out loud even if you are alone. Match the time to the greeting. Let's practice. Match the correct greeting to the time of day. Pause if you need more time. 8 a.m. So 8 a.m. will be good morning. 2 p.m. 2 p.m. good afternoon. 8:30 p.m. 8:30 p.m. good evening. 10 p.m. going to sleep. 10 p.m. going to sleep, good night. Meeting a friend. And meeting a friend, hi or hello. How did you do? Write your score in the comments. Grammar note, I am or I am. Let's look at something new, contractions. In English, we often make short forms. I am becomes I am. You are becomes you are. So instead of saying I am good, we say I am good. Let's try something new. I am fine. I am fine. You are happy. You are happy. Great. These short forms make you sound more natural. Say hello in different ways. Now, let's practice greeting people in different situations. I will say it first, you repeat. Meeting someone new. Hello, my name is Vikram. Greeting a friend. Hi, how are you? Greeting a teacher. Good morning, ma'am. Saying goodbye. Goodbye, see you later. Respond to the greeting. Let's practice some conversation. I will say a greeting, you say the response. Pause if you need more time. Hello. Hello. Hi. How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thanks. Good night. Good night. Good night. The family at the park. In the evening, the family goes to the park. They meet a friend and practice their greetings. Friend. Good evening, Vikram. Good evening, how are you? Friend. I am good, thank you. Alka. Nice to see you. Friend. Nice to see you too. Practice speaking at home. Now it's your turn. Try this at home or with a friend. Stand in front of a mirror. Greet yourself. Say, hello, my name is. Good morning. How are you? Repeat 3 times. Practice your voice and smile. Pause the video and do this now. I will wait. Quick recap. Let's review what we learned today. How to say hello in English. Greetings for morning, afternoon and night. How to respond to how are you. We learned contractions like I am and you are. Mini quiz time. Let's test your memory. Pause and think before answering. What do you say at 8 a.m.? What do you say at 8 a.m.? Good morning. What is the short form of I am? What is the short form of I am? I am. How do you greet a friend? How do you greet a friend? Hi or hello? What do you say before bed? What do you say before bed? Good night. What's your name? Say it aloud. What's your name? Say it aloud. Amit or Nitin or Shashi or what's your name? How many did you get right? Type your score in the comments. Before we end, you did a fantastic job today. Learning how to greet someone is your first step to real English conversations. In the comments, tell us, what greeting do you use the most? Who do you practice English with? We would love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. And don't forget to comment. We read everyone. Keep practicing, keep smiling. Bye for now.